We used to be downtown singing this song every day.
Like
every day.
For real.
For real.
I used to be used to, but I never got used to.
Being what I used to be.
I said I never got used to.
Being what I used to
Being what I used to.
be.
I remember times we had to struggle. Father wasn't there. Mama working 3 jobs. I got 3 kids. Bills need to be paid. Slaves need to be slaved. Demons on our tippy toes. Praying to the God he open up his doors. Open his rainbows of heaven. Pour down his blessings. But I still remember the bad times anyway. Memories always come and stay. They told me I'd be here for a while. So what I'm gonna do now? Top Shelf came beside me.
Top Shelf.
Mama told find me. What I'ma do with it? Go back with my school guys and we fit it. Got it good now. Eating good with a good career now. People know my name. They screaming Hawk and they pee every time they see me came. But who am I to blame? This the life I chose, so I'ma live with.
Used to be used to. Never got used to being what I used to be. Used to be used to. I never got used to being what I used to be. I'm just another young nigga, a product of my environment. Niggas trying to go, but I'm trying to get higher with it. In my career, let's just rapping shit. I remember times when I was on the porch writing shit in the dark with no lights in the house, no gas, no heat, so I'm cold as a mouse. It just run around the house, trying to figure out how to get up out this house. I'm tired of this living, I'm tired of the struggle. I'm tired of kind of wear the same shoes for a year, can't change my clothes for a week. I remember when I used to steal my bro's house just to go through the week. Days I used to skip school just to make a quick buck, yeah, or try to get a quick fuck. Niggas used to laugh at me, see I used to be weak in this rap shit. Came a long way, Top found me, told me bro you got something. Then I found Hawk like man you amazing. So I became a grace when I prayed to God. He told me look young dude, spread your word, to the wise, to the whole, the people that behold. Nigga I got a story that need to be told. But if you listen, pay attention to the wishing. Nigga my bars go harder than the college tuition. Yeah, these niggas ain't listen to me. I told them I'm a beast, but a lyrical feast. Nigga, I told these young niggas I wouldn't give you a feature. Cause my thoughts running through my mind as deep as the pen. I'm deep as the end. These niggas wanna see I gotta win. I told Top Dog I got him destined to the win. So I'm going for the team, I'ma lead the team out. If these niggas need a light, well I'ma clear them out. Yeah, they say I used to be used to be that. Yeah, I used to be this. I quit so many things, but rap shit I can't quit. I gotta push it, dog. It's like a heart shit. It's in my heart in the bottom, and when I write, I'm writing something else. The niggas to fight through the night. Told mama, she said you my yacht. I say, baby, I got you long as you put the investment in me. Hawk told me like, bro, you gotta get it. He told me go to school. I said, dog, I'm not with it. So Top told me, look, dog, invest in yourself. And then if more people invest in you, invest for your health. So now I'm doing good, I ain't struggling no more. Yeah, I'm eating good every night like supposed to. Fam came around, said they support me like they supposed to. So I'm like, damn, yeah, I'm loved. I'm cherished by many of those who with me. So I'm trying to fly to a higher degree. Tell the niggas fly high, soar with me. I'm an equal to the sky. Nigga, I gotta go, man. Aiming to the high. But look, dog, I just wanna thank God for giving me a blessing with these words. The way that I write, the way that I spit, the way that I quit, the way that I go. But hey, that's just a young nigga story to be told.
I used to be used to.
When y'all CD come out?
But I never got used to.
Straight.
Being what I used to.
I like that.
Be.
I said I never got used to.
Never got used to
being what I used to.
being what I used to.
Being what I used to.
Being what I used to
Be.
be.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I said I used to be used to.
Never been a used to.
Used to be used to.
Used to be a
I
used
said I used to be used to.
Used to be a used
But I never got used to.
Never got used
Oh,
to.
being what I used to.
Being Gotta be like 5 minutes long, right?